Winter. It's a time to wrap up and keep warm, and that doesn't just apply to you, it's what your house needs too. Every year lots of people get burst water pipes. It causes a lot of hassle and expense. So it's best to prevent it happening by protecting your plumbing from the freezing temperatures. It's cheap and easy. This is what you need to do. First, find out where your stop tap is. Very often it'll be under the kitchen sink. Check that it works okay and that you can turn it off if there's an emergency. And if this or any other tap in the house is leaking, get them repaired. Dripping taps can easily freeze. And by the way, if you have a property that's going to be empty for long periods over the winter, then you may wish to drain down the plumbing system. Turn off the stop tap and run the sink and bath taps until they run dry. If you are just away for a few days, you may choose to keep the heating on low. You can get a Welsh Water lagging kit via our website or by calling us. Or you can buy insulation materials from DIY and plumbing stores. It doesn't cost much. I've got a Welsh Water kit here. It's easy to apply and you don't need any special tools. It's particularly important to insulate pipework and tanks in unheated areas like roofs, garages, lofts and outbuildings. Cut it to the right length and it's as simple as this. And this is the insulated jacket for the outside tap. It's easy just to slip into place. There's a cold temperature gauge in the pack too. I'm going to put that under the sink, just in case it gets really cold and I need to lag some of my internal pipes. You can also insulate your water tank in the loft and any exposed pipes. If you have to call a professional to do the insulation, it could still be a lot cheaper than clearing up after a pipe bursts. So why not check if your lagging is up to the job?